And the golf gods did it again. Ninth hole, my final hole here at Indian Hills. The hardest hole I played today. And I got a par. One putt par. No other pars. Bogeys and double bogeys. But we survived for the first time. Glad to be out here. We'll be back lots this year. Bye.
Okay, here's another birdie attempt. Hole number 6.
Oh, it is. Beautiful time of the year to golf. Just look at this scenery. How can you not love the game? Sorry, fans. Never online. But I'll take a par in this hole. And here we are for the first challenge of the year on 16 with Nancy A. and her tree. Sorry about the camera view. Oh, she hit the tree and it came back. I thought it would readjust. Oh, Nancy A., what do you got to say about that?
Take that, you tree.
The tree won, though.
No, I hit it on the bullseye, so I'm taking.
That driver.
Of course, she finds the water.
Where's the water?
In the middle of the... And here we go again. Hole number 13, Doug going for a birdie putt. Let's see if he can do it. A little long, we'll see if we can make it now. The par. And he got his par. Let's see if he has any words of wisdom.
Not a birdie, but
Any words of wisdom?
yeah, these greens are fast. They're really running smooth. They're fantastic. These greens are just fantastic. For a birdie.
There's Doug walking up at his birdie attempt. Hole 11 at Green Hills.
Oh, long.
He didn't get it. Let's see if he can make the par. And he did.
Got my par. Sort of disappointing when able to put a birdie on there, but we'll see if we can get one later. Hey, welcome back. It's March 2nd here with Nancy A. Say hi.
Hi.
We finished our first round. I had an 81 and played pretty well. We'll probably be back tomorrow. Had fun. Bye. That one hurt my back. Here we are with our first scramble of 2024, and we do have Nancy A. Nancy A, you want to say hello?
Hello.
Stick your head over there.
Hello.
I'll let you know how it works. Okay, we're heading back. The round is over. We ended up four over, Nancy A. 4 over, 75. And the weather was beautiful, the day was beautiful, the company was beautiful, the golf was. See you tomorrow. Here we are at the 16-hole challenge. Yes, that ball split the uprights, and it's good. What do you say, Nancy A?
Again. Dragon, hole 17, Green Hills.
Hit it good, but hit it into the trees. Thank you for watching. Here we are at the 16-hole challenge. Yes, that ball split the uprights, and it's good. What do you say, Nancy A?
Again.
Here we are. It's my birthday at Spencer T. Olin Golf Course in Alton. We're starting on number 10. We're joined by Matt Antonick, my son, and Nancy A. You've seen her before. We're out to have a good time. It's cool. Not quite 60, 20 miles an hour wind, but we're going to have a good time. Here we are as we approach the green. There's Matt's mom. And there's my ball. Birdie putt here at Spencer T. Owen. Par 3, 195 yards. I hit a driver to get onto the green. And actually hit it about 200 yards. And here it is coming back down towards the hole. I missed. It's a meat on that bone, too. 4. It's 113 yards to the back where the pin is at, and I'm hitting a 9 on it. That'll be a good video to see how I quit through that swing. Good. Number 9. Coming back at you from Green Hills, number 5. Just finished up with the Eclipse golf. It was needless to say one of the most exciting things I've ever seen happen on a golf course. And that includes my 4 hole-in-ones I've got. Didn't have one today, but did have an eagle on number 16. We ended up shooting 2 over 73. And Nancy had the shot of the day, though. You might have it on video in the background where she did the birdie 2 on number 13 right at the dawn of the eclipse, right about when the eclipse was supposed to be about ready to go total. She knocked home with that 35 foot Nancy, 35 foot. Anything you'd like to say about this?
It's over.
It's over. Bye. Okay, this is just getting to be the time. It is getting dark. And it's unreal. So cool. Wow. Wow. Here we are, a few moments before the eclipse. What a lucky event to be on the golf course with. Okay, just a few minutes beforehand. Oh yeah, you can barely see a sliver now.
And I was just setting it up to see if I could do it or not. Because you were so close to that.
It is surprising how dark it actually was as the camera keeps it lighter for some reason. But it was almost pitch dark during this part. All right, this is it. It's the middle of the day. You don't have a watch on, do you?
158.
1:58. I think it's starting right now. Total eclipse. Gonna look in a second. It is marvelous. Okay, we're about 5 minutes from totality. I'm just gonna video me My hole in one here on number 13 it is, huh? Oh, it's right at it too. Oh, cool. Okay, what's the time, Nancy?
And into the score. Oh, 151.
151. I think totality's at 158. It's really getting cool out here. It is literally, temperature is dropping. I noticed in the Weather Channel today, they said it would be like dropping 4 degrees, like between 1 and 2, and then 2 is our totality. And then by 3 it was another 4 degrees up there. So it's starting to look cool now, ladies and gents. Nancy A, you gonna stick your head over here and let them know what you think?
Yes, it's getting close and the moon looks cool.
Cool. Okay. Here we are at the annual golf ship, Mineral Mound State Park in Kentucky, and we're off.
These pictures were taken at Kentucky Dam Village, our cabin that we had overlooking the golf course, and this is actually on the golf course, I believe, at Mineral Mounds. A really, really good course and difficult, but beautiful.
Happy anniversary, Nancy A.
Yep.
I hope and enjoying your golf trip.
Happy anniversary, Doug. I am.
Cut. In case you missed it, the tree challenge, didn't make it.
This was the year of the cicadas, every 17 years, and they were loud this year.
It's just nasty out here with these bugs. Just all over the place. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. Memorial Day Classic Challenge. It is going to be very close. It could be one of our closest tree challenges. Nancy's going to pick up a ball, but she'll show you how close to the tree. Get on the other side of the ball first. See how much you beat the tree by? Not much. Good job, Nancy. A win is a win. Quick update here at Green Hills. We are 1 over after 4 holes. We did bogey third, got pars and all the rest. Good day. Cicadas are out here. Not quite as heavy as yesterday yet, but they're still out. Birdie. Any words? Birdie. And Nancy A did most of it.
Fairfield Glade, Crossville, Tennessee.
Not a good chip shot there. Muggy day out here at Green Hills. Summer is here. Put it over this lake of a sand trap and
At least it's not wet. Any words?
we made it to par. My first par of the day on 11. So that's about a foot.
Yes. Oh, shit.
No bueno. No bueno.
Stone Wolf Golf Club. A beautiful place to play golf.
Here we are. Stone Wolf Golf Club, Fairview Heights.
Birdie putt. Miss. He will go for the power now. Needs to get him in, get the hole. And we'll take the par. Doug?
That's a wrap. Good shot for the final tree challenge, Nancy A. For the summer only, closing down. And here we are, back at Green Hills again. This is the special ball Nancy uses to beat the tree. And there's her tree. Didn't make it today, but she'll be back in fall.
Here we are, Green Hills, hole 18. Another look at a birdie. Can he make it? No, but it's a pretty background. Here he is going for par. And he made par. We'll see if he has any closing remarks. Any remarks? Any remarks?
No. Hey, we're at Green Hills today with the special guest Mike Owens. He's a lefty, and I'm sure he's going to show us a few things of how it's done. Also, Nancy A is here.
Hi, everyone.
And it's a beautiful day. We're going to have fun.
And it's Mike Owens teeing off in number 8, Green Hills. Now, Doug is on number 8, you know, Green Hills.
Far straight.
What are you doing?
There's our camera woman, NCA. Nancy A teeing off from Mount St. Nancy on Green Hills number 9. She outdrove everyone. Tree Challenge, Green Hills, number 16, Nancy A. Oh, and she just hammers a tree.
Got it.
Hammers it past, way
Thank
past
you,
that.
fans.
Due to poor photo taking by me, we missed the tee shot, but we're gonna see the tree right here. Parked by the tree, and you'll see Nancy A's ball way down the middle of the fairway.
She hit it in the air.
In the air, and she ripped it. We both missed birdie putts. Nancy A and beat the tree. Tree challenge, number 16. Oh my, she just took it all the way back and ripped it right down the fairway. Yeah.
I beat the tree.
Yeah. I just drove here on number 17 right next to the pin, and I chipped it in with a 60 degree. It's amazing. Second chip in today. That was for an eagle. Too bad it didn't happen on camera, but we'll walk up and show you the ball in the hole.
Eagle putt dug into me.
No good.
Eagle putt attempt, Green Hills, hole number 6. pretty close. Hopefully we get the birdie. Doug trying to help Mom out with the birdie putt. 17, Green Hills. Doug Anthony going for birdie putt, hole number 12. Wow, he got it.
Nah, I don't think it will.
Hey.
On the green. Very good drive. Yeah, I think we can putt it. Nope, no red line.
Huh?
No tracer.
I won. We got 4 over, but that's what I predicted.
And who made the putt in the last hole to
I
save
made
that?
the putt for par and saved my score.
Good round.
We made it.
Here we are being good neighbors. Let the young man play through that Stonewall. Great fall day out here. Enjoy the show. It's a nice view from the tee box on number 7 here at Stonewall. Beautiful day. live.
Hi.
Live here from Fairview Heights on number 17 in Stonewolf. Beautiful day, beautiful wife, beautiful course. Not so beautiful golf.
Could be better.
The sun go down.
Come on, guys.